We have two quotes today, one from Emily Brontë and one from Albert Schweitzer. I am a huge Brontë fan, so this one makes me happy. When it blows, the mountain wind is boisterous, but when it blows not, it simply blows not. And that was Emily Brontë, the least known of the sisters, I think. And then we have Albert Schweitzer. Late on the third day, at the very moment when, at sunset, we were making our way through a herd of hippopotamuses, there flashed upon my mind, unforeseen and unsought, the phrase, reverence for life. If you like this video and want to help me reach 500 witchlings by Ostara, like this video, subscribe or follow me, and then share this with everybody you can think of, please and thank you.